Hi friends, our English language tutorials. Now this is 275. We have just concluded a discussion on imperative sentences. Now we begin a new chapter, that is referential and non-referential it and there. So today we will see it. So as you can see, referential it is a pronoun. There are sentences like he took a cap and threw it. So he took a cap and threw it. So this it stands for it is a pronoun. It stands for a cap. He took a cap and threw the cap. So it refers back to cap. So this is pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. We have seen this. I have given detailed lectures on this in my earlier tutorials. I invite you to go to those classes. So he took a cap and threw it. It here is a pronoun. This is a referential it. You see, there's a reference. She opened the book and read it. She opened the book and read it. She opened the book and read it. So it is the book. She opened the book and read the book. So instead of that, you have got the pronoun. He took the car to the workshop to get it painted. He took the car to the workshop to get it painted. It means car. Understand? Get it painted. That is a snake, don't catch it. That's a snake, don't catch it. If you catch a snake, you know what that. So these are examples for referential it. And referential it is a pronoun. Now let's see what is meant by non-referential it. The function of non-referential it is just a filler. It just fills, that's all. Filling the subject position. For example, raining, is raining, is raining. What do you say? Cloud is raining? Cloud is raining? Sky is raining? No. So there should be a subject, and that subject is it. It fills the subject position, that's all. It has no reference, as we have seen in the previous examples. The previous example you said that he took the cap and threw it. So it refers to the cap. In this case, it's no reference at all. It is raining. It is raining. So that is a subject position here. Usually what happens, this it is used for expression of weather. You describe weather, you describe temperature, you describe time and so on. So we will see few examples, then you will understand that. Okay? You can say first, let's say weather. Weather will be, there are different expressions like this. It's raining, it's snowing, it's warm. Weather. It's warm, it's cold, it's very cold, isn't it? It's hot, very hot. So this is weather condition. Very hot, very cold, warm. It's nice weather. It's nice weather. It's nice weather. Nice weather, you can say. So that is about when you want to say the condition of the weather, you usually use this. Understand that it's. You say it is. It means it is. Now, temperature, you can say. Express it with temperature. You can say it's 5 degrees below zero. It's 5 degrees below zero. It's 5 degrees below zero. 5 degrees, 10 degrees, 15 degrees, 20 degrees, any number of sentences here. It's freezing cold. It's freezing cold, yes, temperature. It's freezing cold. It's freezing cold. It's freezing cold. It means very cold. It's getting hot. It's getting hot. It's getting cold. It's getting warm. There's temperature against. Understand? Then next of course is time. Time. Time expressions. It's 4 o'clock. It is 4:30. What time is it? What time is it? It's 4. It's 5. It's 4:45. It's 4:45. 10:30. Right? So that is for this purposes we use it. It's all non-referential. It's simple, but because you have to master the use of non-referentiality, especially in spoken English situations. When you are using language, you cannot say time. You are saying what time is it? What time is it? Please, what time is it? You cannot have time. You can also say like that. Some people say. Once I went to a place where English is not their mother tongue, but they use English. They will always ask. Wherever you go, they will ask. Especially children, time is means what's time? That is the you go anywhere. If there are small children, that time is that is what's time. Understand? So that is for this purposes we use it. There are more uses of non-referentiality that we will see later. For the time being, I think this is enough for you to remember. And we can start using this now. So it's very cold, it's very warm, it's raining, it's snowing, it is freezing cold. See, what time is it? What time is it? See, and we have got temperature like this. Oh, it's 100 degrees. We say 100 degrees above. Is there anything else to say about? Yes. So such in this way that you express, use it as a subject position filler or non-referential. Two uses. One, it has the use of, already we have seen, one is referential, the other is non-referential. When it is referential, it is a pronoun, as we have seen. This is my dog, don't hit it. This is my dog, don't hit it. It means dog. This is my dog, don't hit my dog. So my dog is the noun for that. Instead of that, we are using it as a pronoun. I think it's clear for you. You can practice in your day-to-day conversation. What's time? What time is it? Or you can describe the weather. Oh, I am not coming to college today. It's very warm. It is terribly warm. So it is heating. It is heating up. You can say like. Hope that you are enjoying my classes and useful to you. Bye for the time being. But remember this. Ammunition to fight against corona. Stay home, be safe, break the chain, be safe, wear mask, be safe, keep distance, be safe, use soap, be safe, use sanitizer, be safe, you be safe, then we will all be safe. Bye. Have a nice day.